Hello, my name is Andreas Tulay. I'm here at MEXPE with our partner Celtec. I'm from the company Carbon. Carbon is a platform provider for 3D printing technologies, engineering great materials, and great software products. Today at MEXPE, we would like to introduce exclusively for the Italian market our latest product called Design Engine Pro. Design Engine Pro is a cloud-based software solution creating lattice structures, which you can see here. And the specialty with this product is it's not only generating a single lattice structure, the software is capable of generating multiple different lattice structures in one part. So it's a multi-zone lattice structure with different mechanical properties, and as you can see here on the part, we have lattice structures which create a very soft touch feeling, and we can also create lattices which are more rigid. Right? So this is what we call the multi-zone lattice structure. You can define all those lattices basically yourself in the software. We have solutions to have an overlap between lattices and the software generating those overlaps automatically. What is so special with this product as well is it's available to everybody, not just to Carbon customers. So we can basically create lattices for every other printing technology out in the field. What can you do with those products? Let's go quickly here to our machine. This is our entry-level machine called M2, and you can see here just a demo part, but inside you see a saddle manufactured from Specialized, which is using this multi-zone lattice structure tool to generate a product with special mechanical features which delivers extra comfort. Talk about this machine being the entry-level product. The manufacturing solution for this particular part you can see over there, which is called the L1 machine. The L1 machine is a much larger product. It's used for the production not only for the saddle but also for a lot of other great products. And you can all see this live here at MEXPE Show, and we hope you come see us soon here at the show today. We're hoping to see you within the next days while we are still here. Thank you so much, and hope to see you soon. Thank you.